To fix an Apple Pencil with blinking text on an iPad due to a failed battery. Follow these steps. First, understand that the blinking text typically indicates a low battery or failed pairing issue. Start by charging the Apple Pencil, if it is not already charged, by plugging it into the iPad or using a USB adapter. If the issue persists after charging, restart the iPad and Apple Pencil. To restart the Apple Pencil, simply unplug it from the iPad and plug it back in. Restarting the iPad can be done by going to Settings, then General, and selecting Shut Down, or by pressing and holding the sleep-wake button until the power-off slider appears. Next, check for any debris or dirt that may be obstructing the connection between the Apple Pencil and the iPad. Clean the Apple Pencil tip and the iPad's Lightning port gently with a soft cloth. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try resetting the Apple Pencil. To do this, go to the iPad's settings. Then select Bluetooth, and look for the Apple Pencil in the list of devices. Tap the information icon next to the Apple Pencil and select Forget Device. Then, pair the Apple Pencil with the iPad again by plugging it into the Lightning port. If the Apple Pencil is still not working properly, it may be a hardware issue and require a replacement. Contact Apple support for further assistance or to schedule a repair. To prevent future issues, make sure to regularly clean the Apple Pencil and iPad, and avoid exposing them to extreme temperatures or moisture. By following these steps and taking proper care of the Apple Pencil, you should be able to resolve the blinking text issue and get back to using your Apple Pencil with your iPad.